Hello, today I'm in Kincaid, Illinois. Here's their fire station, and here's another whelen vortex. The one in the previous video was Morrisonville's, and this is in Kincaid's. It's on Main Street like you're leaving out of town. So basically, I think they test it every first Tuesday, but it is pretty impressive. I do apologize if my camera's kind of blurry. But here's the fire station. Here is the siren. It's pretty impressive. The fire station, and this is Kincaid, Illinois. The grain silos. So yeah. If you siren enthusiasts are interested, check this out. This is Marie Stick, and I'm out.